Here I have a 2024 Kia Forte with a 2.0 liter engine, and I'm going to show real quick how to do an oil change. Basically a quick rundown with the torque specs. Here you have your oil fill cap and your dipstick right next to each other, so they make it very easy for you. It does take 5W20. I suggest you do a full synthetic, well, totally up to you. At the bottom, it has a shield, but you don't have to take it off. It has two holes right here, one of them for the drain plug, this triangle-ish one and the circle one. But if you can see, the triangle one is the one with the drain plug, which is a 17 millimeter drain plug. And then the oil filter is right there. If you want to use an OE Kia oil filter, this is what it looks like. Usually the part number on these is 26300-35505, but I'd go to the dealership to get it. When you put back the drain plug, the torque spec is 25.3 to 32.5. Usually I just do 30 foot-pounds. And then there is actually a torque spec on the oil filter too, if you have the right tool, which is 8.7 to 11.6 foot-pounds. But if you go back, that oil filter tool has a number on it, but that's only if you use the big original oil filter from Kia. All right, I don't usually torque by oil filters. Usually I just get it snug with my hand and then just turn it by hand until it won't turn anymore. I don't go crazy, just until it won't turn anymore by hand. It does take 4.2 quarts. Like I said again, 5W20. I usually use full synthetic. Then once you filled it up and ran the car for a couple minutes, you want to make sure to check the dipstick and make sure that the oil level is in between those two lines with all the little dots. And to reset your service interval, what you want to do is turn your ignition on with the engine off, press this menus button, and then it'll move you here to the side where there's little gears. And then you want to go down right here where it says convenience. Click on that. Go down to service interval, click on that. And this car is turned off, but if it was on, you just go down to reset, click on that, click on it again, that's it.